Hello everyone, my name is Danny. In this part, that is third part of the risk management, we're gonna go in for some of the details. This is main topic for the risk management to control your position size. This is really important to learn. If you learn this one, you can manage your money and manage your risk based on your trading strategy. We're gonna go in for the details and how to manage your and find it out your position size based on the risk management. And this one is gonna be helpful for you if you care about it, because if you not care about this situation, you're gonna be below your account. You're gonna be risk more than you afford to lose. Let's go and find it out what's our strategy about the market is. And the leverage for me, except some of the crazy leverage like 100, 200 or whatever, those one are never going that one. That is completely wrong if you're going for the high leverage. If you want to keep it in the market and based on your emotion and based on the FOMO, you're gonna be wrecked. We're gonna go in for the chart. We are on the BYBIT. We're gonna go in for the find our strategy. You can do it on the trading view because I just want to use the one screen upcoming for this one, but trading view is more obvious and more better for the charting. We're gonna go in for the long position. We're gonna be open the position on the long as the 1250. A long position. Gonna go in for the open the long position on the 1250. This is our strategy to open the short long position under this one. That is our setup. Now we're gonna find it out how much margin that we can put it on the one trade. We're gonna go in for the calculator on this one. Unfortunately, we can't put on the we can put it on the margin. We can put it on the like a account quantity, not in the margin. We're gonna be on the 1 Ethereum. We're gonna be open the 1 Ethereum at the price of 1250. And we just think about the stop loss. Stop loss is gonna be 1111, right? 1111. That is our stop loss. ROI for this one, if we lost this one with the leverage of the 1, it's gonna be 11%.12. If we, as I said to you on the previous video, we're gonna go in for the leverage to own the asset. We low margin and the low risk. We don't want to put a 1250 for the one trade, right? We're gonna go in for the higher leverage like a 5 and show you one thing. If we go in for the 1250 on the leverage 5, we can own the 1 Ethereum on this position. And also if we get into hit the stop loss, it's gonna be 55% we lose. It's gonna be $139 we're gonna be lose. But we need to calculate our risk management. We just only risk 1% of our account balance, or 2%, depending on how many position that you have. You are not allowed to risk more than 3% of the account balance per day. Now we're going to go in for the tools that you can calculate your stop loss and take a profit. We go into the trading view or BYBIT. We're going to pick up the measurement tools, and from the entry point to the bottom, we're going to draw the one measure tools. As you can see here, our measure tools is show us if you lost this trade, you're gonna be 10.74%. We're gonna be with a fee, we're gonna be calculate by the 11% because that's more easier, and plus your exchange fee or your fee that you pay for the others, like a funding rate. I'm gonna go in for the next topic and describe it for you. If you can see here, 10%, you're gonna be lose without any leverage. For example, you are allowed to risk only 1% or 2% of your account balance. It means if you have a 5,000 in your account balance, you are allowed to risk only $50 only. If you're going for the 2%, your risk is gonna be only $100. Right? I hope so that is making sense for you. We're gonna be calculate under this part. We're gonna go in for the open the position. We're gonna go in for the change our leverage. We're gonna put it on the 5 at first. We're gonna introduce as a 5, confirm it, and we have our margin that we're gonna put it in there. For example, we're gonna be put it on the 200 as a margin, and 1100 for a stop loss. 1111 our stop loss gonna be, and buy a line under this position, open the line, put a stop loss 1111, and we under this position we're gonna be lost the 111.2 US dollar, right? And we should manage our risk to don't lose the more than % of our account balance. We need to change our leverage, or we need to change our margin account. We have to manage we should put it like a $180. We're gonna be lose on the $180, we're gonna be lose the $100 on this trade, right? We need to a little bit put as 179 on this position on the leverage of the 5. We're gonna be lose the $99.52. And we should manage our risk. How can I put this one, and how can I manage it based on the risk management, not over 2% on the one trade, and not over 3% on the one day. If you have another account, another position for the one trade, is if you lose that trade, is gonna be below your account balance by the 1%, you need to, this one going for the low leverage, for example 2.5, to cover that one. You already, if you lose that one, the first trade is gonna be $100, but this trade you are not allowed to risk more than 1%, because as a trader we don't know what's gonna be happen for the market. You need to be cautious about this one because it's really important and the really essential thing that you need to learn before open any trade. I'm gonna go for the one more thing that I need to tell you. Everything based on the risk. Don't over risk your asset that you have based on your any strategy and any confirmation, because the market, we don't know what's happened for the market. One fundamental news is gonna be change the whole direction of the market. I hope so this will make a sense for you, because it's really important topic to learn about it. And if you don't do this one, you're gonna be broke. If you risk a 5% today and tomorrow another 5%, you're gonna be lose a lot. If I have a lot of opportunity in the front of me, if I get into the maximum risk of my daily, I'll never open them more than 3% of my risk. I highly recommend it to going for the calculator after your exchange and calculate what's your leverage and what's your stop loss and what's your profit, and understand the situation a little bit more, because that is gonna be really helpful in the future if you are getting a little bit more professional. Under this one, you don't need to think about what your leverage is gonna be in the future. And I'm gonna go for the funding rate. That is really important to understand the funding rate. First, I'm gonna describe it for you. Funding rate, if it was positive, like this one, Ethereum, if you are open the short long position, you need to pay this percentage to people that is open the short position. And if it was negative, as a short position, you need to pay it for the long position. Be cautious about this one, especially on the altcoin. It's gonna be effect on your winning rate. Sometimes you win the rate, win the like a position, you win the like your strategy, and your long position or short. But because of the funding rate is pretty high, you're gonna be don't get any profit. Be cautious about the funding rate and check it before they open the position. Just want to check the couple of them. Is, for example, TWT is 0.1%. As a long position holder, you need to pay to the short position holder. That is sometimes if you open the long position under this one, this is every 8 hours, depending on your exchange. Every 6 to 8 hours, you need to this percentage you need to pay it for short position holder. This is third part of the risk management and money management on the trading. I hope so it's added value to you. If the added value, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also I have a Discord channel. It's a free education and a free day trading signal. Feel free to join it. I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.